All right, hey there everybody, welcome to my channel and to this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're interested in do-it-yourself home projects and other cool videos. But in this video, which starts now, we're going to be taking a look at how we can do a little home maintenance. You can see I've got a vent right there. There's another vent right there exiting my house, and over the summer months we've got lots of foliage from the garden, from weeds and whatnot coming up into contact, blocking the vents. Also got a bush here coming up and making contact with the screen. A perfect pathway for insects and other things to be walking up into my window and creating damage and wreaking havoc. I've got a hole in the middle of the screen there. I'm not really sure what that's from, but I suspect this might be related. So basically, good home maintenance says we should not have contact between leaves in the exterior part of the home if you can help it. Again, it acts as a bridge and could potentially block important vents that are coming out of your home, creating maybe a fire hazard or something to that effect. So what we're going to do is just go along the perimeter of the home, and we're going to be very carefully, especially around any type of gas line, internet line, electric line entering the home. We are going to be very delicately clipping away all of those with a clipper. I'll put a link down below for the clipper that I like to use. A lot of things will do, but you want to do manual control over here so you can see exactly what you are cutting. Again, you don't want to clip a pipe or a cable or anything like that. And that is it. Hopefully this tip has helped you out. If it has, do me a favor and click subscribe. Thanks.